Patreon is a popular crowdfunding platform that allows creators to receive ongoing support from their fans, known as patrons, in exchange for exclusive content and rewards. It provides a way for creators to monetize their work directly from their audience, without relying solely on traditional advertising or sponsorships. Creators can set up a Patreon page where they showcase their work, such as art, music, podcasts, videos, or writing. They can then offer different membership tiers to their fans, each with its own set of benefits. Patrons can choose a tier based on their desired level of support and the rewards they want to receive in return. The rewards can vary depending on the creator and the tier selected, but they often include exclusive content, early access to new work, behind-the-scene updates, merchandise, and direct interaction with the creator. Patrons are typically charged a recurring monthly fee, and creators receive the funds to support their ongoing projects. Patreon acts as an intermediary, handling the payment processing and providing a platform for creators to engage with their patrons. It also offers features like messaging, community forums, and analytics to help creators build and manage their supporter base effectively. By enabling fans to directly support their favorite creators, Patreon creates a sustainable and independent income stream for artists and other content creators. It fosters a closer connection between creators and their audience, allowing fans to become more actively involved in supporting the work they love.